guys, it's me, Hannah, again. What a wonderful day. Today the sun is shining and it's perfect for gardening. Okay, today we'd like to use our AgroSense Soil Moisture Sensor to remotely monitoring our garden's soil moisture level via LoRaWAN. Okay, let's start. Okay, we are now at the garden on the top of Wutongdao, Shenzhen. Okay, I'm gonna place the soil moisture sensor into the soil. Let's see how it works. We use the cloud service Datacake to receive and display the data through our LoRaWAN gateway, which is about 2 kilometers away from the garden. Now, we add the device to Datacake by entering the DAP-EUI, app-EUI, and app key, and selecting the correct frequency plan. After all settings are completed, on the dashboard, we can see the real-time soil moisture data displayed as a soil ADC value. We can also check the average and the maximal soil moisture level over time. This allows us to understand soil water condition and optimize irrigation decisions. In addition, we can monitor the device battery level and the LoRaWAN signal performance, ensuring stable and reliable operation. For more product information, please visit our official website at www.agrosense.cc. Okay, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!